Hey traders, welcome back to another edition of the market review. My name is Vasily, I'm your trading coach and professional forex trader. For today's weekly edition, I prepared for you a very nice trading setup. It is very nice trend following example of the pattern trading, of the application of the top-down analysis, multi-time frame analysis. So you will be impressed, as always. I will share with you the entry, stop and target for this trade. I will try to explain my reasoning behind the trade. So it will be very informative lesson. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Enjoy the video. Alright guys, to discuss the flag pattern we will analyze together the dollar Swiss pair, and here we will discuss the multi-time frame analysis. Yes, it is very important for each and every pattern that you trade. It is very important to execute the top-down analysis, the multi-time frame analysis, because the pattern by itself is a very weak signal. But if we combine that with the price action, with the historical perspective, with key levels, patterns are very accurate in predicting the future market behavior. For that reason, we will start here on our analysis with the daily chart. And on a daily chart, what do we see? First of all, your task is to simply analyze the price action, yes, to get what's happening with the market. And over here, we will simply follow the swings of the market, and we will try to get what's happening with the market right now. And as you can see, very important thing happened with the market recently. I guess you can see that from a bearish trend that the market was following for quite a while, we changed the trend, yes, and right now we are trading in a local bullish trend. Why we say that over here we are trading in a local bullish trend? Because here are our market low. From that we set the high right here. We retest, we set the high low, yes, then the new high, high low, new high. So you can see that if we analyze the market like that, using the swings, the impulses, we can easily identify that the market here is bullish. And now based on that, we are bullish biased, yes, and we expect growth on the pair. And the next task is to analyze the structure levels. Yes, look for the structures. And over here, I want to focus your attention on that level. Why? Why this level is that important for us? Because if we look left, yes, we can see that first of all, right now the price is trading on that level, but moreover you can see how strong bearish reaction we saw from that level in the past. Over here as well, yes, you can see how important that structure is for the market participants, and you can see that they were willing to sell the market from that structure. And because of the classic structure rules, right now that resistance turned into support, and because of that there is a very high chance to see a bullish movement from that structure. Yes, so this is our first part of the analysis. Yes, the directional bias, the structure, and now as the market is trading on a key level, our task is to look for the confirmation before we open a long trade. So I'm on the 4-hour chart, and here we just in detail see the recent price action. You can see that after the violation of our key level to the upside, we returned back to it, and right now we are retesting that. And analyzing the candlesticks right here, analyzing how the price reacted to that level based on the candles, we see right here multiple rejections. By the rejections, I mean the long wicks. Long wicks signify that the price dropped below that structure, but then the market immediately returned back. Yes, it signifies quite strong buying volumes. It signifies that some traders are still willing to buy, and even though we saw a local bearish movement right here, buyers were still buying. And moreover, after that, over here we formed a very nice doji candle. Doji candle once again is very nice, bullish clue. It signifies the equilibrium between the buyers and sellers, and again for us, for trend followers, it is a good sign. But then we also need to analyze hourly chart, because very interesting thing I will show you on hourly chart. So I'm on the hourly chart, and on hourly chart our task simply is to analyze the price action. Yes, again, on hourly, we may identify a lot of clues, but the point is that to identify them, we need to analyze the price action. So I simply remove everything, and here is our current structure high, yes. And from that, you can see that the price started to trade in a local bearish trend. Why? Because over here, we have a very nice sequence of the lower lows, lower highs, yes, and with the zigzags, based on our classic price action rules, we say that the market here is locally bearish. Based on these highs and lows, we also can draw the channel. Yes, we may simply match the highs and lows right here, and we may identify the channel. Yes, here is the resistance of this channel, and here is the support of this channel. Yes, so you can see that right here we have a falling parallel channel. Why this falling parallel channel is important for us? It signifies that locally the market is bearish. It signifies that currently on hourly, based on the intraday perspective, the market here is bearish. Yes, it is bearish, and for now, bears dominate the market. But we remember that based on our daily time frame analysis, we expect a growth. Somewhere here is our major key level, our major horizontal structure that we identified on the left. And by the way, you can see that also we have some hourly structure right here. Yes, some other structure. So we have, by the way, a very nice confluence between the daily level that we identified and the recent level, the recent hourly level right here. So because of that, we may expect that from this areas, from somewhere here, a strong bullish move will initiate. But what do we need to confirm the initiation of a bullish movement? We need the breakout. Yes, the breakout will signify the violation of the local bearish trend and start of a new local bullish trend on hourly chart. Yes, so we will be looking for the breakout of this flag to the upside, the violation of its resistance, and then we will expect the retest of the current structure high, of course, yes, this one, and then potentially the continuation to higher structure levels. One very important clue, the secret, it is the secret. Right now will be a very advanced kind of thing. It is very easy to be caught by a false breakout when you trade the flag. For that reason, for the additional confirmation, always take a look at the horizontal structure, recent horizontal structure. To not be caught by a false breakout of the resistance of the flag, identify the recent horizontal structure. Most of the time the market is trading in a local range. Yes, in a local trading range, like right here. You can see that here we are just coiling in sideways within this range. So your task is to wait not only for the breakout of the resistance of the flag, but also for the breakout of the resistance of this range. And then the area between the broken resistance of the flag and the resistance of the horizontal range will give you a perfect buy zone. Yes, the zone from each and every point you can freely buy the market. Yes, here will be our zone. So why do you need that zone? Because based on that you select what risk to reward do you need. If you are a conservative trader, if you need bigger risk to reward, then you place that on the lower boundary of this area. If you're kind of the aggressive trader, you change it. Yes, you play here with your risk to reward and you select the one that you need, and that is based on your trading plan. So this is the outlook for dollar Swiss. Yes, we are waiting for the breakout of the flag. The violation of that will signify a strong bullish movement. And remember, just in case, if we see the violation, the bearish breakout of the support of this minor range, then it will be a very strong bearish signal, because we will be trading below the daily horizontal structure that we identified. Yes, so this is kind of the conditional thinking. Yes, the conditional trading setups that I'm teaching my students to read and to trade. Yes, so let's see how it's gonna play out. Alright guys, it is the middle of the New York session, and here with this high momentum bullish candle, the resistance of the flag is finally broken. Now I place my buy limit order on a retest of a broken flag, and with that I will try to catch a bullish continuation to new structure highs. And remember that we never know whether the market will retest the broken structure or not, but retest always gives us the safe entry. Let's try to catch this movement on Monday. Yes, I don't think that it will retest during the New York session, so let's try to catch a very good winner on Monday. Alright guys, let's hope that next week we'll make nice peps on this trade, and I truly believe that in case of a retest of a broken flag, chances will be high that we will make nice profits on this trade. Don't forget to check the links in the description below, subscribe to my YouTube channel and like it. I will see you next week.